It's piano time!
Learning about a steady beat with Lolly. Once upon a time, in the lush and colorful rainforest of Rainbowville, there lived a vibrant and talkative lorikeet named Lolly. Lolly was known throughout the rainforest for how God made him with such dazzling, rainbow-colored feathers and beautiful, melodious songs. He loved to sing, especially songs about God, and he knew the importance of a steady beat in music. As a teacher, Lolly wanted to spread joy through music. So one sunny morning, he decided to embark on a mission to teach the young animals of Rainbowville about music, starting with teaching them about a steady beat. He also asked his friend Peggy Piano to help him teach, as she was a wise and melodic piano who had a special place in their town. Lolly perched himself on a branch in the heart of the rainforest, and his melodious chirping attracted a group of curious and excited young animals. There were Chippy the Chipmunk, Bella the Butterfly, Sammy the Squirrel, and many more. They gathered around Lolly, eager to learn. "Gather around, my friends," chirped Lolly, perched on a branch beneath the beaming sun. "Today we're going to explore the heartbeat of music, the steady beat."